Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lori. Thanks for joining me. So today, let's talk about Fashom. So a few of you guys have recommended that I try Fashom in the comment section, so I did. I had a little bit of an issue the first time that I had done my styling and I saw the items that they picked. I really didn't like a whole lot of them. And I said that if you didn't like anything, that you can send them a message and they would like redo your style picks. So they redid my style picks, which took a little bit of time, and it was like the same stuff with like one new shirt that I also didn't really like. So I complained to them one more time. They gave me some other items to try. So I went ahead and I picked my 5 items, but when the box came like this. Like, this tape is like the cheap dollar store tape, guys. Like, invest in a little bit better tape. So I don't know if everything is even in here. It looks like somebody could have like went in and grabbed something. I'm gonna hope not, but yeah, this is kind of not acceptable. So anyway, we're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what I picked out for my items, and we're gonna try everything on, and we'll go from there. So I have my handy dandy box knife. Not like I really need it because it's pretty much opened anyway, but whatever. All right, so here we go. We got our little return envelope, our little note. I never read those. I read those off there. You guys don't care what my stylist writes to me. And then in here, you know, you got the typical tissue paper with a sticker. So, tearing that open. All right, so here's the first item. And this is a little floral print dress. I have a couple things that are kind of similar. It looks like it wasn't going to wrinkle, so that's definitely up my alley. But the weather has turned cold really fast here in Pennsylvania. Just like 2 weeks ago, I was wearing shorts and a tank top, and now like I'm wearing a sweater and long pants. So that might be a piece for next spring. Let's see here. Here's another dress. You hear my dog rolling around over there. Anyway, this one's got kind of, I don't know what kind of print this is. What kind of print do you guys call this? I have no idea. I don't know. It's cute. I like the sleeve length on this one. This one's a little bit more seasonally appropriate for right now. But it's kind of like a faux wrap dress. There is like a little tie here. Then we picked out this little animal print top. And this little tie sleeve blouse, little polka dots on it. You can see they're little polka dots. And then the last item is this pink floral tank top. So let's try everything on and see what we think. Okay, so let's talk about all of the pieces. So because this was my first box, I was not charged the $15 style fee, and I'm really glad for that because I'm not sure I'm going to keep anything. So the first thing we have is this dress. I like the material. It's sleeveless. It's not really seasonally appropriate for me right now. But the one thing that I don't like about it is it's kind of like where it starts is like literally like right under my bust. I like stuff that's a little bit more towards like my waistline. For me, I think it's a little bit more flattering because I am very long torso. So I'm not really feeling this. I think that the print is very basic. It's nothing that special. So this is going to go back. Next is this animal print top, and I should probably talk about the next top at the same time because they're actually the same brand, which is less the miss. This I don't like. First of all, I'm very athletic build. I lift weights. That's what I like to do. I'm not going to stop doing it. I'm not going to be sorry for it. But this just kind of adds bulk, like right through here. And I don't really want that extra bulk. The other thing that I don't like is when you have this much material around the sleeve, like I can't really throw on a blazer or a cardigan and have it look nice. It's going to be all like bumpy and it's not going to look that great. The print I do like. The other thing that I don't like is there's like no give to it. So I have very broad shoulders. And I feel like this is really tight. It was a little hard to get on and off. Once it was on, it was okay. But, you know, any movements where you're doing this, it doesn't really feel all that great just because there's no stretch to it. So if you have thinner shoulders, maybe you would like this better. But this is going to be a pass. And the same thing with this one, same issues. It's a little tight. The other thing is, like, when you have this on, it's very hard to try to tie it. Like, you actually like need somebody there to tie it for you because you're trying to like, let me tie my sleeve and it's very hard. But yeah, it's the same kind of thing. Like, it's a little tight like in the shoulders for me. Once it's on, it's okay, but I don't want a top that I don't feel comfortable in, so I'm gonna send this one back too. Next, we have this dress. I like this one a little bit better than the other one, but it's like the same kind of thing. Like, it kind of hits right under the bust line, which may be good for some body types. I don't really like that style on me. Like I said, I like it more towards my waist. The print is cute. You know, I like the sleeve length a little bit better on this one. You know, it doesn't wrinkle. It would travel well. But again, I'm not going to keep this one either. And finally, I have this little pink floral tank top. So out of everything, this is definitely my favorite. It is actually like super soft, and there's a lot of different colors here in it. So if you wanted to wear a cardigan or a blazer, you know, you could wear this to work under, you know, either of those items, or it would look cute in the summer paired with, you know, just basic blue jeans. This one is probably, like I said, my favorite out of the whole bunch. I'm just not sure if I love it enough to keep it, so I don't know. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'll decide if I'm going to keep it or not. So overall, I'm not super thrilled with this box. I am glad that they did waive the style fee. I'm not sure if I'm going to get a box again. Maybe I'll give them a second chance. I know it's the first time styling, but when I told them I didn't like any of the pieces that they had selected for me, I wanted like a whole new group of pieces, and they really didn't change anything. That pink polka dot top was in every time that they did a restyle for me. So I'm not quite sure about how I feel about this. I did email them a few times. They were very slow to respond. I understand they're busy and they're a newer company, but still. The one thing that I do like on here is they have save big on spending while you rescue dogs. So they donate $1 to the Second Chance Rescue in New York City, which I think is really awesome. I'm a huge animal lover. You guys have seen Carson on my channel. He's a rescue pup from Texas. So, but overall, Fashom, I'm a little bummed. Let me know what you think. If you've had good luck with Fashom, who is your stylist? Maybe I need a different stylist, but yeah, not too thrilled. I was really disappointed that when I asked for new stuff, they didn't give me anything new, and I ended up picking up stuff that I knew I wasn't really gonna like anyway. So let me know your thoughts about this box in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.